Welcome to Rising Minds. Today we are going to have a look at sound. Sound waves. Look. Yikes, it's all going crazy. What is sound? Sound are vibrations in the air. Sound are vibrations. We can make sound. See, I'm talking, right? I'm making sound. Look, this is the wavelength. This is the length between the waves. If the wavelength is shorter, I have a trick to know if it is loud or not by some sound waves. For example, let's take this picture. Okay, see, now let's go to our slide. See, the wavelength and the amplitude, the crest, and ignore the trough. Just remember these three, okay? And now have a look at these. See, this is the crest. The crest is pointy, right? You can have a look. So, if the crest is pointy, and look, the wavelength is short, and look, the amplitude is very long. Do you know what this means? If the crest is shaped like a cone, the wavelength is shorter and the amplitude is higher, it means that the sound is loud. If everything of this is the opposite, it means it is not loud. Look. Now, can sound travel in a vacuum? I'm pretty sure your answer is no. Yes, but actually no, because there are no particles which can carry the vibration. Look, they can only travel through solids and liquids. How do sound waves move? Sound waves travel in a wave pattern and we call these sound waves. And you'll be amazed to see what happens next. See, I have made the text go in a form like these sound waves. Let's see it again. See? Oh. What is a Doppler effect? Doppler effect? I guess it's Doppler. The Doppler effect or the Doppler shift is the change in frequency or in relation to an observer who's moving relative to the wave source. Do you know what's the speed of sound? Speed? It's 340 meters per second. So, let's have a look. In air, sound travels about 340 meters per second. It travels faster on a hot day. It travels faster these days. So hot. Oh, so hot. One day if I at least go down to play, I'll get sunburn. I hope you all are bored at home during the summer holidays. Whenever you get time for watching mobile or laptop or any screen, tune into my videos. I have many videos coming up and these are only few of them. Thank you. See you next time. Like us, share and click on the notification bell.